In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view forms in TurboTax online, a crucial part of managing your taxes with insight and precision. Whether you're checking your information or preparing for tax time, having your forms handy is essential. Let's start by heading to the TurboTax official site. Open your web browser and navigate to TurboTax's website where filing taxes online is made easy. Once there, you'll want to find the Sign In button, typically located at the upper right section of the page. Click on it to enter your login credentials. If you don't have an account, you'll need to register for one to proceed with viewing your forms. Once you're logged in, you will find yourself on the TurboTax homepage. This is your main dashboard where you can access all the features of the online tool. From here, navigate to the section labeled 2024 Taxes. This is critical as it directs you to the area where your current tax information is stored. Once you select this, you are taken to the section that holds your tax-related actions and documents. Here's where we delve into the Tools section to get to the heart of our task. Locate Tax Tools on the menu. Clicking on Tax Tools will unveil a few more options. Here you should select Tools. This step opens a suite of tools that help you manage and review your tax information. After clicking on Tools, you will see the option View Tax Summary. This feature allows you to take a quick glance at your overall tax data. Select View Tax Summary to move forward, and it will provide you with a summarized view of your current tax situation. It's a handy snapshot that shows how much income you've reported, deductions applied, and taxes owed or refunded. If you want to delve deeper, the next step is Review Tax Summary. By clicking here, you can go over a more detailed version of your summaries and forms. This allows you to thoroughly examine entries and ensure everything is correct and up to date. Following these steps will have armed you with a comprehensive view of your tax forms without any hiccups. Staying updated with your tax information not only ensures accuracy when filing, but can also provide peace of mind as you manage your financial records throughout the tax year. That's it for today's tutorial on viewing forms in TurboTax Online. With these instructions, you should find navigating and reviewing your tax forms in TurboTax both intuitive and efficient. Remember, having easy access to your tax details empowers you to make informed financial decisions all year round. Thanks for watching, and happy tax filing.